Hi guys, welcome back. We're looking at the DAX daily chart, the DAX 40. And in my previous video yesterday, I mentioned the two resistance levels, if you recall, at 14,080 and 14,180. Okay, these are the intersections right here and here. This is the 180, this is the 80. Okay, as you can see, DAX opened at resistance, it sold off, and then there was a significant buying all the way to 180 and made a high of 186 yesterday. Okay, and got rejected immediately, ending up at 14,017 or 18 last night. So again today, these two resistances hold. Like I said yesterday, that there's significant upside resistance for the DAX at present. There's downside pressure, obviously. And we are currently trading below the 14,080 resistance. Again, it tried to go up today and could not sustain earlier. And with the spot open at present, we are trading below the first resistance. And let's see how it goes. If it stays below the 14,080, we're looking at our first support, which it already tested at 14,010 or thereabouts, right here, this intersection, guys. As you can see, the low made today so far has been 14,015, and touching that support level, it has bounced back up. And let's see how that goes, but looks like kind of a sideways market again for today. If the 14,000 level is breached, we could end up, closing around 13,950 or thereabouts. This is our second support below the 14,000 level, 13,950. All right. Just to recap, yesterday I mentioned that these white lines are your GAN support levels out of the supports here, which is S1, and the support here at S2. And our first resistance or the high we're looking to breach, okay, in case the index closes above 180, is this high here, which is we're calling R1, right? So guys, good luck. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you, and see you in the next video.